Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Nora. Ahlan, ana Nora. Welcome to the Arabic Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you will learn how to tell someone your occupation. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have talib, student. Talib, talib, talib. Mustathmir, investor. Mustathmir, mustathmir, mustathmir. Tabib, doctor. طبيب 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 نادل waiter نادل 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 Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that our dialogue follows. أنا, and then you say the occupation. I am, and then you say the occupation. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the occupation. Find what the occupation is and see how it's used in the dialogue. هل أنت طالب؟ لا، أنا لست طالباً. أنا مستثمر. Are you a student? No, I'm not a student. I'm an investor. Note that the Arabic verb to be is implied in the present tense, so it's not necessary to include it when saying your occupation. Instead, you might say أنا طبيب, which equates to I doctor in a direct word-for-word translation, but it means I am a doctor. Do you remember how to say student? طالب, طالب. And how to say investor? مستثمر, مستثمر. Do you remember how to say doctor? طبيب, طبيب. And how to say engineer? مهندس, مهندس. Do you remember how to say teacher? مدرس, مدرس. And how to say police officer? شرطي, شرطي. Do you remember how to say waiter? نادل, نادل. And how to say manager? مدير, مدير. Do you remember how to say I? أنا, أنا. And how to say I'm an investor? أنا مستثمر, أنا مستثمر. In this lesson, you learned how to ask for someone's occupation and understand their answer in Arabic. Thanks for watching. I am Nora, and I will see you on ArabicPod101.com. Salam!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.